Good afternoon, dear researchers, dear ladies and gentlemen. I'm Iryna Khomytska, Associate Professor from Applied Linguistics Department, Lviv Polytechnic National University. My co-authors are Vasyl Teslyuk and Iryna Karamysheva from the same university, and Iryna Bazylevych from Ivan Franko National University of Lviv. The title of our research is Automated Identification of Authorial Styles. The improvement of the software for authorial style identification is topical today. The proposed approach consists in the use of the efficient classical and machine learning methods which ensure reliable data with a test validity of 95%. These methods are the chi-square test and the discriminant analysis. To separate the authorial specific features from the other language features is a difficult problem. A perfect solution has not been found yet, and the problem is still topical. As the analysis of the related works has shown, the machine learning methods give results with an accuracy of 70–90%. In our research, the chosen classical level of significance of 5% makes it possible to obtain the results with a precision of 95%. The purpose of the research is to prove that the chi-square test and the discriminant analysis combined are efficient for the task of authorship attribution. The novelty of the research is the proposed structure of the program system based on a modular principle and the combination of the chi-square test and the discriminant analysis applied in the Ukrainian language. The algorithm of the applied method consists of the following steps. Calculate the absolute and relative frequency of occurrence of letters, use the chi-square test, calculate the mean frequency of occurrence of letters, stop words, punctuation marks, and spaces. Employ the formula of Mahalanobis distance. The formula for the chi-square test is on the slide. The algorithm of the software system functioning includes the following steps: text file uploading, sample formation, sample division into portions, calculations of frequency of occurrence of linguistic units, application of the chi-square test and the discriminant analysis, and the analysis of the data obtained. The results of the chi-square test are given below. They confirm that the literary works by Leonid Lvov are written by one author, as the homogeneity hypothesis is not rejected. In Figure 1, we see the results of the discriminant analysis for the researched literary works by Ivan Franko, Oles Gonchar, and Leonid Lvov. In Figure 1, we see the results of the discriminant analysis determined by the square Mahalanobis distances. The distances between the literary works of the same author are small if compared with the distances between the literary works of different authors. Conclusions. The results obtained by the chi-square test with a test validity of 95% show that the authorship of Ivan Franko, Oles Gonchar, and Leonid Glebov has been established for the researched literary works. For the comparisons of the literary works by each of the mentioned Ukrainian writers, the homogeneity hypothesis has not been rejected. This means that literary works were written by the same author. For the discriminant analysis using the squared Mahalanobis distances, we have obtained the distances between the literary works by Ivan Franko, Oles Gonchar, and Leonid Glebov. The distances are small. The established small distances testify that the researched literary works reflect the same authorial style, the linguistic features of the same manner of writing. The results of the research can be used for anonymous text identification, documents identification, scientific papers, and literary works differentiation. In our future research, we'll test another combination of classical and machine learning methods on the other language levels and on the other language material. The presentation is over. Thank you for your attention.